All right, everybody. This is Williams once again. Today, I made mention of on the first video I made that I will be sharing some tips on how we are going to treat this bull run that is coming, and that we are into. Sorry, using the word coming. And for now, you can see the market has have a different tone and behavior so far over about a month now. The market has been on a certain level of range, and it's not giving you a true picture, or rather a true pattern at which direction is going, which we know in this era of time it could be confusing as to where the market is going. But at the same time, as of those who have been long in the market enough know how the market plays their tricks. And here is one of those tricks, and that's why you're seeing this behavior and it's confusing you. You're asking yourself some question, where will this market actually go? But mind you, let me tell you, from all indication, and this market is of 80 to 90% to the upside, and that is where we want it to go. So whatever tricks you see the market playing you right now is just to torment you and play with your game, play with your head, and at the end of the day you'll be asking yourself some confusing question. You need not to ask yourself. All you need to do is be patient. That being said, we have to prepare ourselves for this effect that the Bitcoin having that has happened will be given to us. Let's make a plan on how we can benefit from it. We know definitely we have our usual way of trading the market and our strategy that we've been, applying. But at this time of the day, that strategy needs to be altered. We need to arrange some pretty things about it so that we could benefit more and more from the market, because the speed at which the market will be going, will be rising. Our normal strategy will not be giving us the yield that we will be expecting to get. So follow me step by step, how I will be showing you how you can take your own trade without anyone helping you, how you can choose this trade. And I'll be making this video a short clip so that at the end of the day you will find joy listening to what I am saying. I'll give you point by point. And for now, this is going to be our second video of the day. First and foremost, I want to share with you how you can select the top high gaining crypto in the market, and how you can also select the top losers in the market. We call them the gainers and the losers at this point of the day. And you're seeing my screen right now. I want to put up a low mark, a mark to share with you. All right, you can see right there just where the mark is. Within the cross of that mark, you can see there's a place written change. At that point of that change, then you click at a change, you will see these are the top gainers in the market. And when you click it back, it will give you the top losers in the market. Okay, so on this strategy, we'll be focusing on the top gainers. The top gainers, that is what we will be focusing. You can see here the STJ and the NOT, the Ocean, they are the first three gainers here, which are fantastically at the top of the market. Then if you are applying this strategy, you'll be viewing from 1 to 6 or 7 of it down to 10. All right, so what am I trying to say? At this point, you can click on the top and see if it is okay for you to trade on. And mind you, on this particular strategy, we'll be focusing on the 15 minutes time frame, nothing less and nothing more. So 15 minutes time frame is what we will be focusing on. And on this chart, as you can see from my view, you will see I have a chart here, and this chart is on STJ USDT, and it's on the 15 minutes time frame. And you can see I have two indicators on my chart. We have the Bollinger Band, and we also have the KDJ. The KDJ is, let me show you. Okay, let me take this one off and bring up the column. all right, to share with you. All right, here is the KDJ, this one right here, and here is the Bollinger Band. Okay, those are the two things that we'll be focusing on. All right, as you can see from the mark, the Bollinger Band, you see we have three sets of it. One is extending to the upside, one is at the middle, and one is at the bottom. Okay, in this case we are looking for trade that will be coming down, that will be under this bottom, the bottom of the Bollinger Band. You understand? That is what we'll be aiming at right here, the blue line here on the Bollinger Band. Any candle that is sitting on this junction, that is where we'll be aiming to take our trade on, but only on the occasion that right here on the KDJ, this blue line will be crossing under these other two lines, and that's when you know that the condition at which you want to take the trade is okay. All right, but this setting is not actually showing what I want, so I will take the market back and I will look for something that is very close. All right, let me check on this. Okay, you can see in some occasion you'll be seeing the candlestick at the middle of the Bollinger Band, and sometimes you look at the behavior of the candle, but I wouldn't want to share that deeply with you because it will confuse some persons. But if as a beginner you're seeing this kind of candle, I will advise you should just let it go. Don't even think of touching it. Just go for something that I will be showing to you. Let me look for it. I'll definitely get the pattern I want, and I will ask you to, okay, not this one as well. Okay, and those ones that you see I'm just neglecting could be taken for people who are well experienced to know could it be something I want to take or not, because you have to view so many things to make that decision. But as a beginner, I don't think you will have the patience to do so. Okay, let me use this as an example, and you can see from here right now that, let me take all these ones so that they don't start confusing everybody. All right, no, they are not going each on it. Okay, reverse it. Reverse it. Okay, that one is gone. The other one is gone. The other one is gone. Okay, at this point you will see from here, I'm going to mark it up. I'll mark it with a candle right here. You see here, you can see the blue line crosses, and as the blue line crosses, and look at these green lines here, okay, they make a move. Do you know this is exactly what we want? A situation whereby you will meet a pattern of candle with the Bollinger Band and also the KDJ. Okay, a situation whereby the blue line on the KDJ is about to cross these two other lines. That is when you enter the market. And when you enter your trade at this junction, you'll be expecting to take at least 1.5 profits. 1.5 profits. 1.5 profit. That is what you are expected to take, from 1.5 profit to 1%. Those two, 1.5, 1.5. At most is 1.5. Don't let it go 2, don't let it go 3. Okay? With this strategy, don't let it go 2, don't let it go 3. End it at 1.5. Okay? These two conditions will give you 1.5, and you're out of the market. And once you're out of the market, the next thing you do, you go about looking for other trade to take. Sometimes it's very fast, sometimes it's a bit slow. Okay, but when you meet up to this condition that I just shared with you, you will understand what I'm saying. It becomes very, very fast. But that notwithstanding, let me give you another quick one that will show exactly what I'm talking about as well. All right, please don't mind those adverts coming in, kind of instructing what I'm saying here. Just hold on for me, trying to pull this back. All right, and here I want to look for something very close that will actually show exactly what I'm talking about as well. And let me take a look at this. This one already made the move and it's coming down right now. Okay, and if you see what I just mentioned just now, the same thing has just happened here, but I will just give you an indication of it. You can see where this line crosses. Okay, when it crosses, you see, as it crosses, what happened here, you have this, boom, and this will give you 1.5 at most. And once you're able to take that 1.5, you're out of the market. Only when it crosses, the KDJ. And when you're asking me what is the KDJ, here is the KDJ right here. Okay, all right, and here is the Bollinger Band. Okay, these are the two indicators you will need to put in your chart, and you can use this easily. All right, so I believe I have been able to make a point, and I know it's not a full video yet, and I'm going to make another video to talk about the setting and also talk about your first buying amount, how you can break it down from different level of capital that you will be using. We have those who will be using $100, $1,000, $500. We have those who will be using 2,000 to 3,005, thereabout. Okay, with this idea, your profit will be ranging. Okay, and you will see how often you'll be entering the market if you are able to meet up to this condition. All right, that being said, I want to stop this video right here, and I'll be making another video to explain those points that I just raised just now. Okay, thank you and God bless.